When you rely on Zebra devices to keep your business up and running, you need to ensure maximum device uptime. Zebra OneCare eliminates disruptions and unplanned expenses, covering repairs, technical and software support, and includes lifeguard security protection for your Zebra Android device, regardless of the OneCare cover you have. Zebra OneCare comes with Visibility IQ Dashboard, a configurable cloud-based dashboard that provides a clear overview of repair and support metrics and historical device information using date ranges. Customers can easily track the status of their Zebra OneCare contracts, as well as repair status, technical support cases, and security update status via Lifeguard Analytics, as well as producing reports and exporting reports that show, for example, physical damage to devices. The automated reports make it easy to isolate problem sites and devices and undertake any action as indicated through the color coding on the dashboard. Lifeguard helps extend the software lifecycle of your Zebra devices. Let's look at how. When it comes to operating system security updates, Lifeguard for Android delivers the ideal solution. Typically, from the date that Google releases an Android operating system, support is available for 3 years, well below the 5+ years required for the enterprise hardware lifecycle. Zebra Lifeguard is a software security support solution that extends security support on your Zebra Android devices for the lifecycle of the device, meeting the requirements typical of a business as long as you have a Zebra OneCare contract. Lifeguard gives you access to smart periodic security updates, automatically showing you which updates are available and for which device, enabling you to use your mobile device management platform to deploy updates quickly and easily. When a new version of Android becomes available, Zebra Lifeguard continues to provide support for your current operating system for a further 12 months, ensuring you benefit from legacy operating system security support so you can migrate your apps at your own pace. And when you transition to the new operating system, you continue to benefit from Lifeguard security updates. Lifeguard makes the use of your Zebra mobile device more efficient and more secure, reducing device downtime and associated costs, giving you operational peace of mind and a faster return on your Zebra investment. Maximize your Zebra device uptime and business performance with Zebra OneCare support services. That's what service from the source means to us.